Exercise 18 on the page 79. Compare the following fractions after reducing them to a common denominator. So هيدا السؤال عندي two parts. أولا لازم to reduce the fractions to the common denominator، يعني لازم يكون هاد two fractions عندهم same denominator, and then we have to compare them. So 1 over 2 and 3 over 10. ممكن خلي 10 تصير 2. Yes, we could divide 10 by 5. So مثل ما بعمل بالدينومينيتور لازم نعمل بالنيوميريتور. So 3 divided by 5, we cannot divide 3 by 5, so رح دور على طريقة تانية بالشغل. ممكن خلي 2 تصير 10. Yes, we multiply by 5. So we multiply both terms of the fraction, the numerator and denominator, by 5. And then we get 5 over 10. And the other fraction is 3 over 10. And now we could compare them. 5 over 10, 3 over 10. These two fractions have the same denominator. So the one that has the greatest or greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 5 over 10 is greater than 3 over 10. Here we have 1 over 4 and 5 over 12. So 12 كيف بتصير عندي 4 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 and 5 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 5 cannot be divided by 3, so we have to find another way. So let's multiply. 4 times 3 is 12, so we could multiply by 3 both terms. 1 times 3 is 3 over 12. 4 times 3 is 12, and here we have 5 over 12. And then we could compare them. Two fractions have the same denominator. The fraction that has the greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 5 over 4 is greater than 5 over 12 is greater than 3 over 12. Here we have 69 over 100 and 7 over 10. So we could divide 100 by 10 to get 10. So here we are reducing these fractions to the same denominator. يعني لازم خلي الدينومينيتور لهالفراكشنز مثل بعضهم. بقدر اخلي ال 100 تصير 10. Yes, كيف؟ divide by 10. 69 could not be divided by 10. Why؟ لأنه لازم يكون ones is 0. So we have to find another way. بنجرب نحول 10 ل 100. Yes, we can. We multiply by 10. So we could multiply both terms by 10. Denominator and numerator. دايما بس كون عم لاقي equivalent fraction. إذا عم بضرب لازم أضرب بنفس العدد numerator with denominator. So 7 over 10 multiplied by 10 both terms بيطلع عندي 70 over 100. So this fraction 70 over 100 is equivalent to 7 over 10 and it has the denominator 100. So بهذه الطريقة بنلاحظ إنه صار عندي two fractions عندهم the same denominator, and now we could compare them. The fraction that has the greater numerator is the greater one. So 70 over 100 is greater than 69 over 100. And then we have the fraction 8 over 3 and 9 over 4. So هل بقدر اخلي 3 تصير 4؟ No, ما في عدد ضربه 3 بيعطيني 4. هل بقدر اخلي ال 4 تصير 3؟ كمان no. So ما بقدر اشتغل مثل ال part A and B parts اللي اشتغلناهم قبل. So لازم ادور على طريقة تانية. We can change both fractions. اثنيناتهم بدي اشتغل فيهم هون and find a common multiple of 3 and 4. So what is the common multiple of 3 and 4? خلينا نشوف ال multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12 and 16. Which is the common multiple is 12. So هلا بصير أفكر كيف بدي أخلي هيدا الفراكشن 8 over 3 يكون عنده denominator 12 و9 over 4 كمان يكون عنده denominator 12. So 8 over 3 كيف بنخلي 3 تصير 12؟ we multiply by 4. So we multiply both terms, بضرب the denominator and the numerator by 4. So we get 8 times 4 is 32 over 12. The other fraction is 9 over 4, so 4 لازم تصير 12, so it's multiplied by 3. And then we multiply the numerator by 3. So we get 9 times 3, 27 over 12. So بنلاحظ إنه صار عندي two fractions. 32 over 12 is equivalent to 8 over 3. 27 over 12 is equivalent to 9 over 4. And these fractions, they have the same denominator, so we could compare them easily now. So two fractions having the same denominator, we look at the numerator. The fraction that has the greater numerator is the greater one. So 32 over 12 is greater than 27 over 12, so 8 over 3 is greater than 9 over 4.